Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a taste of the Whole Food Vanilla flavor for you. This is brand new. I just got mine on Monday, which was the first day that it shipped out, because I'm in the same city as them, so I got it relatively quick. As you can see inside, it looks like any sort of milkshake powder, although you can tell it's a really smooth powder. It smells a lot like Slim Fast milkshakes, if you guys have ever had those. It has that real artificial vanilla smell, but a really sweet, rich smell to it. You can see from the back, it's a pretty balanced meal. It's 400 calories, you know. I mean, you guys can read, I'm not gonna read all this out, but it looks really balanced if you have 4 or 5 per day, depending on your calorie needs. So here I have my shaker bottle and 350 milliliters of cold water. I really like to add ice to my water, get it really nice and cold. Sometimes I'll just throw the ice into the shaker bottle. It doesn't really matter. They break down with your little shaker. Now, I will mention there is no shaker bottle included with Whole Foods, so I'm here using my Jake Food shaker bottle, which I've been warned is due to break soon. So I'm just gonna add my water, 350 milliliters for 2 scoops. Nice and cold. And then we're just gonna get 2 scoops of our powder. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed and filming with the other hand, so. On goes the lid. Okay, so it's all shaken up. Let's give it a taste, okay? So you can see it looks pretty smooth in there. Let's see. Okay, so the taste is almost non-existent. There's almost no flavor whatsoever. There's a hint of like a vanilla aftertaste, but really nothing much. Very neutral. It literally just tastes like rice flour and water. As for texture, I mean, that's smoother than any Lent product that I've had. Smoother than Soylent. I mean, Soylent has not a noticeable grain, but like just more texture than this. This has like negative texture. It's like milk level, although a little bit thicker. But I mean, as far as grain goes, none at all. It's less sweet than the chocolate, and it's got a little bit of a chemical-y taste. Like, I can taste that there were vitamins added to this, but it's not offensive at all. I still really like it. I'm really curious about blending this up with some fruit. Seeing maybe just a handful of strawberries, if that could really take on the flavor. I think it would. It is pretty thin, as you can see. It's really good. I've become a really big fan of Whole Food lately, especially their chocolate flavor, which I still prefer to this, just because this is a little like bland. Cats are fighting. But this is really good, and it's gonna be great for when I want my Whole Food. I want that really smooth texture, but I just can't have chocolate for another meal of the day, which has always been a problem with Whole Food. Yeah, I mean, that's really good. It's completely neutral. Really neutral. So that concludes my taste test today, guys. The vanilla Whole Food is really awesome. I'm gonna do a taste test of the chocolate Whole Food soon, just so you guys know what I think about it, even though, spoiler, I love it. These are really awesome products, and I'm gonna come to you with some more reviews of Lents and drinkable meals really soon, as well as some more gardening and cooking videos. So stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day. Bye.